Okay, hello and welcome back to another moto vlog, and today I am going to be riding the Fireblade. This will be my first moto vlog on the Fireblade, and I think in total it's like my third time ever riding the bike. I've also just replaced the discs today, and you can see there, nice gold wavy ones, and they're not fully bedded in yet, so we're going to be taking it easy, done the front and the rear. Yeah, we are here on a nice, a nice winter's evening in February. It's pretty cold, but the sun's out, so it's not too bad. And I'm just going to be going for a little potter around. But before that, yeah, quick little walk around again. So if you haven't seen the build of this bike, definitely check it out. I have it linked in the description, hopefully on screen as well, and you can check out everything we've done. But yeah, it's a Repsol Fireblade 2011, obviously 1000cc. It's an absolute weapon. But today, yeah, we're just going to be pottering around on it. But before that, I'll give you a cheeky little rev check as well. So that is a Black Widow exhaust, a Black Widow link pipe, and then Delcovic headers as well. So yeah, sounds pretty good. Just check this nobody around before I obliterate some eardrums. Sounds pretty good. So yeah, what better to do than just jump on and ride it. So I'm going to get out of this forest kind of area where all these leaves are, and yeah, let's get on the road. So yeah, this bike has essentially had the absolute works done on it on this rebuild. It's had a whole new fairing kit. It has had chain and sprockets. It's had a full engine service. It's had loads of other little bits and bobs here and there. And yeah, it has just had a whole lot of loving given to it, which is, some of you will be very happy to see an older bike like this getting some attention. And yeah, I had an amazing, overall process building this bike. It was just so much fun, especially when you can't get out and ride that much in the winter. So I bought this in December and basically did it up through December and Jan. Ooh, let's just slip out of here. Be very careful, it's so cold out. And yeah, had just an amazing time doing it. If you can't hear, it's got a quick shifter. I didn't know that it had when I bought the bike, so my surprise when I go, oh, it's got a 400-pound Cordona quick shifter already on it, wicked, I'll have that. It's not mapped, it's not got a power commander, but yeah, that was a nice little bonus for me to discover. What else has it got? So yeah, it came with an exhaust system. It had the Delcovic headers, link pipe and can, but where it had been in an accident, because I bought it salvage damaged, the Delcovic pipe was smashed in, it looked awful, so changed that out for the Black Widow. And then, yeah, just, other little bits like these domino grips. We got the nice levers, all that kind of stuff. And just it just had a general tidy up, which has made it ride so nice. It's tidied it up to like the point where it's, almost mint condition, dare I say. Which is really good for, this is a 2011 bike. So how old is that? That's like 14 years old. And I mean, it is just a testament to how well built some of these Japanese bikes were, But yeah, let's give it a little. I'm hoping that the microphone audio is not too bad, because this HJC helmet, oh my god, it gets a ton of wind noise. I have to go tilt my head down to really stop it getting into, the mouthpiece. I've got my Rode Wireless Go mounted onto the mic. The mic is wired in to the cheek pad, so basically I just have to connect it, plug it in, and we're good to go. The mic's in there constantly, which makes moto vlogging a whole lot easier, because it's such a pain. I used to run the cable out of my helmet and into my jacket, but that's a bit of a bugger. So this is just, it's on, and then I just have to roll the GoPros and then roll the microphones as well. So yeah, getting the MotoVlog side of things, you know, dialed in is always good fun. But yeah, I'm just going to be pottering around a little bit. You know, obviously this is a new bike to me. It's my first 1000. Not going to be going too crazy on it as well. And also having the brakes just been done. They need properly bedding in, so got to take it easy for that as well. Plus, you know, it's Sunday, so I can't be terrorizing the streets too much. I've been looking for other people to ride with. I put a post up. I haven't looked at my phone, so somebody might be out. But when I was just doing some filming before starting, the amount of bikes I could hear going around was crazy. I was like, I want to go join in. It sounded like, you know, you can tell when somebody's doing a wheelie because they'll pop the clutch. It sounded like they were doing wheelies, so they sounded like they were this way. So I'm on the hunt for these, what I'm going to assume is MT7s doing wheelies, but we'll see. There's quite a lot of traffic for a Sunday afternoon at like 3:30, 4. But it is what it is. Yeah, it's you. I bet it's you, brother. Yeah, I fucking knew it. He's got a cage set up on his MT7. Literally pops a wheelie in front of me. I'm fucking psychic and I can see the future. Hopefully he's going to turn around and just give me a little show. That would be very lovely of him. Yeah, that looked like the newer MT7. Can I see him coming? No. Probably going to hear him before I see him. Maybe I'll circle back. The problem is there's nowhere for me to do it because it's all like no right turn junctions. But yeah, other projects. So the GSXR 750 is basically done. It's had all its tuning. It's had a custom can from a company called MHP. I think that's the guy's initials that makes the cans, but it's all custom made, and it's to be non-restrictive to the bike for, you know, obviously max power tuning, and also to, can you get off my fucking arse, you fucking little knobhead? Sorry. I fucking hate when car drivers come right up behind you. But yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, the GSXR is basically done. I think it just needs its daytime MOT and a good blasting. There are Michelin Road 5 tyres on it currently. I'm just going to switch lanes here. Which are, you know, they're like an all-round tyre. They're not going to be seeing the track, but I think for now they're going to stay on just because of, you know, how cold the weather is. They'll actually be quite nice for this testing period. The Z800, unfortunately, is getting sold. It'll most likely be sold when this video comes out, but that was kind of always the plan, you know, get this blade, get this 1000, which I'm going to keep for a long time, and then sell the Z, just because, you know, it's basically going to be redundant now with this bike and the GSXR, which are going to be getting just ridden more. You know, they're better bikes, they're quicker, they're sportier, they're more fun. While I love the Z, Jesus, it's a big beast. It weighs 230 kg, and it's got like 113 horsepower, so it's severely underpowered. I think it's like 500 brake per ton if you're lucky. And then you've got bikes like these, which are almost at, you know, almost 1,000 brake a ton. I think this must be like 800-900 brake a ton. It's got like 178 horsepower and it weighs 199 kg. So, you know, this is just way more thrilling. And I'm planning, this is me and my dad actually, I'm planning to do a lot more track days. So it just makes sense to, you know, track the super sports. So yeah, very sad to be seeing the Z go. It was a fantastic bike to have on the channel and to ride about basically most of last year. But the problem is, selling a bike around this time of year is always a bit, you know, hit or miss, because obviously the prices go down, people aren't riding, you can't get anywhere near back what you paid for it. But the problem actually lies within, you know, selling it on some of these sites. You just get too many people offering you stupid money, which, you know, it actually makes it more tempting to sell it to a company like Superbike Factory, for example. which they're not really gonna fuck you about. They're gonna come and pick the bike up, not gonna kick your tires, so to speak, and they're just gonna have it off you. But obviously they give you a lot less because they're a company, they've got to make a markup, blah blah blah. But you know, there's swings and roundabouts to these things. Buying and selling bikes can actually be pretty lucrative. Considering some of the prices that I've seen bikes for sale up this winter, you know, they're fucking, some of them are like absolute fucking sheds, but like, you think you strip them down, get a mint, I mean, you're like not even doubling your money, you're sometimes even tripling your money, because I've seen some, you know, old 600s for like 250 quid, and you know, it's just worth thinking about, I guess. Oh, this bloody camera is just, ooh, face me, thank you. Pretty sure I got a fucking BMW up my arse. Yeah, look at this fucking cunt. I mean, bruv. Just leave me alone. It's fucking 4 degrees out. Oh no, my camera. It's come off. It did a spin. There we go. Yeah, this fucking mount is like bodged on to my brake reservoir, and it's gonna turn with the bars when I turn the bars. So I've actually ordered a sticky mount to go on the underside of the double bubble. I think that'll look quite smart there. I'll still be able to, you know, see everything that I need to. And yeah, then it won't turn with the bars. But I was hoping that was going to arrive today before my MotoVlog. It's probably sat at my house after being delivered by Amazon now. But yeah, I couldn't be asked to go back and get it because I've been doing the brake disc, filming content for the week, like ×2, and doing a MotoVlog. I was like, oh my God, I'm so fucking busy. Don't have time to go back and fuck around with that. So we bodged the magic arm and the clamp on. Sorry, I don't know why I'm getting vexed. I think, do you know why it is? It's because I'm fucking hungry. All I've had today, a bowl of cereal and a bowl of soup, and I'm just fucking hangry. Hello, friend. I'll give you a cheeky nod. Even though you're on a 125, it makes no difference. Do you know what? I'll actually never nod to, what do you call it? Delivery driver type people. Yeah, I'll never nod to delivery drivers because you never get a nod back. It's not the like, oh, you won't nod to them, blah, 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 this, that, the other. It's because the fuckers just won't nod back. That's why I don't do it. I think, why am I going to fucking nod at you if you're not going to nod back at me, you know? And obviously you can spot them a mile off. It's not just because they're on mopeds. You can spot a delivery driver a mile off. Usually the big Deliveroo or Uber Eats box on the back is the telltale sign, but maybe in future I'll start nodding to more of them, you know, start a, what's the word I'm looking for? Not a petition. Start a trend of just nodding to anything with 2 wheels. I don't really know how far I'm going to go on this ride, to be honest, because looking at this camera here, it's actually, I can't tell if it's exposed properly. I mean, the poor fucking thing is wobbling about. I think there's somewhere I'm gonna pull up here and just have a little debrief of this ride, I guess, and go for another little walk around this lovely new bike that I've built. And yeah, that'll be it for me. Okay, what a lovely evening. The first nice evening in a while. Starting to get, you know, darker later, which is good. But yeah, quick little walk around while we're here. So yeah, this is part of the Cordona quick shifter unit. Got these lovely engine covers because it's scuffed to fuck under. Lovely chain and sprockets. New indicators, obviously new fairing as well. Shabby GoPro mount. But yeah, new bar ends, grips, levers, mirrors, screen, discs, fucking, even got a new headlight unit as well because that was cracked. New air boxes because they were fucked. newish exhaust, you know, fucking everything. This fucker's had the works. But yeah, that is it for the vlog. I'm going to dismantle this abomination and then you know, go for a spirited ride home. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, then please make sure to like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.